You are watching Kiddo TDV. Let's get ready to draw and learn. Today, we're going to learn about letters. Letters are the building blocks of words. Let's start with the letter A. First, we'll draw a slanted line up. Then, from the up, we'll draw another slanted line down. Finally, we'll connect the two lines with a straight line across the top. Now let's color and sing.
A is for apple, red and sweet, a yummy fruit that's fun to eat. It grows on trees so tall and green, a perfect snack for you, it seems.
Let's draw the letter B. The letter B is like a curved line with a little loop inside. B stands for banana. Now let's color and sing.
B is for banana, yellow and sweet, a healthy snack, a yummy treat. Curved shape, it hangs on the tree, a perfect fruit for you and me.
Now let's draw the next letter, C. The letter C is a curved line that comes back to itself. C stands for carrot. Now let's color the carrot and sing.
C is for carrot, crunchy and bright, orange and healthy, a true delight. Bunnies love it and so do you, a veggie snack that's good for you.
The letter D is like a curved line with a straight line inside. D stands for duck. Now let's color the duck and sing.
D is for duck, with feathers so fine, it waddles and quacks near the water line. It swims in the pond, so happy and free. What a cute little bird for us to see.
Now let's draw the letter E. First, let's draw a straight line and 3 short lines. E is for egg. An egg is an oval shape. We can color it white or brown. Now let's color and sing.
E is for egg, so round and white. Poor little fry it, it's such a delight. A breakfast treat or something to bake. Eggs are great in every cake.
Now let's draw the letter F. First, let's draw a straight line and 2 short lines. F is for fish. A fish has an oval body and a triangle-shaped tail. Now let's color and sing.
F is for fish, in the water they glide. Shiny and sleek, they swim and hide. In rivers or seas, they're quick and spry, a splashy sight beneath the sky.
The letter G is a curved line that comes back to itself, with a little loop at the bottom. G is for grapes. Now let's color and sing.
G is for grapes, purple or green, a bunch of sweetness in between. Pick them fresh or dried as a treat. Grapes are a fruit you love to eat.
The letter H has 2 straight lines and a horizontal line connecting them. H is for hen. Now let's color and sing.
H is for hen, she lays the eggs with clucking sounds and little legs. In the barnyard she's busy all day, pecking and scratching the hours away.
Drawing the letter I. The letter I has a tall straight line with a short line on top and bottom. I is for igloo. Now let's draw and color.
I is for igloo, a house of snow in freezing lands where cold winds blow. A cozy shelter, round and white, it keeps you warm on a frosty night.
Drawing the letter J. J is for jug. Now let's draw and color.
J is for jug, for water or juice. It pours out drinks that we can use. With the handle and spout, it's handy to hold. A jug of lemonade is lovely and cold.
Drawing the letter K. K is for kite. Now let's draw and color.
K is for kite, it flies so high, dancing and soaring in the sky. Hold the string and let it go. Watch it flutter and spin below.
Drawing the letter L. L is for lollipop. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
L is for lollipop, sweet and round, a candy treat that's world-renowned. With colors bright and flavors sweet, a lollipop is fun to eat.
Drawing the letter M. M is for mushroom. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
M is for mushroom, white or brown. It grows in forests and all around. In soups or salads it tastes just right. A fungi treat so soft and light.
Drawing the letter N. N is for nut. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
N is for nut, so crunchy and small. A healthy snack that's loved by all. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews too. A nutty treat is good for you.
Drawing the letter O. O is for octopus. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
O is for octopus with arms of 8. It swims in the sea, its moves are great. A clever creature with a curious face, living in the ocean's secret place.
Drawing the letter P. P is for pig. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
P is for pig with a snout so round. Rolling in mud is where it's found. It oinks and plays all through the day. What a funny friend in every way.
Drawing the letter Q. Q is for queen. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
Q is for queen with a crown so grand. She rules the kingdom and all the land. Dressed in jewels from head to toe, she's the royal star of the show.
Drawing the letter Q. Q is for queen. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
R is for rabbit, hopping so quick, with long soft ears and a nose that's slick. It loves to nibble on carrots all day, and leaps through the meadow in a playful way.
Drawing the letter S is for sun. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
S is for sun, shining up high. It lights the day and warms the sky. Yellow and bright, it's big and round. The sun makes life grow all around.
Drawing the letter T. T is for tomato. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
T is for tomato, red and sweet. A juicy veggie that's fun to eat. In salads or soups, it's tasty and fine. Tomatoes make your meals divine.
Drawing the letter U. U is for umbrella. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
Rain or U is for umbrella for rain or sun. It keeps you dry while having fun. Hold it up when the weather's gray. An umbrella saves the day.
Drawing the letter V. V is for volcano. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
V is for volcano with a fiery glow. Lava and ash from deep below. It rumbles and roars, then calms once more. A natural wonder to explore.
Drawing the letter W. W is for whale. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
W is for whale, the ocean's king. It leaps and splashes with a mighty swing. A gentle giant, so big and blue, swimming the seas, just passing through.
Drawing the letter X. X is for xylophone. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
X is for xylophone with notes so bright. A musical sound that brings delight. Tap the bars with sticks in hand. Make a melody that's grand.
Drawing the letter E. Y is for yacht. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
Y is for yacht. A boat so sleek, it sails on water, so calm and chic. With sails unfurled, it glides with grace, exploring the ocean, a lovely place.
Drawing the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Now let's draw, color, and sing.
Is for zip, it slides up and down on jackets, bags, and all around. It keeps things closed so neat and tight. A handy tool for